Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explain how to convert gallons to cups. This conversion can be quite handy in various situations, whether you're cooking, baking, or working with liquids in different quantities. Let's start with the basics. A gallon, often abbreviated as gal, is a unit of volume commonly used in the United States and a few other countries. A cup, represented as C, is a smaller unit of volume often used in cooking and baking. Now, here's the key part. 1 gallon is equal to approximately 16 cups. To convert gallons to cups, all you need to do is multiply the number of gallons by 16. For example, if you have a 3-gallon container of juice and you want to know how many cups it contains, simply multiply 3 gallons by 16. That's a total of 48 cups. Let's consider another scenario. If you're a baker and you need to measure 2 gallons of flour in cups for a recipe, converting it is straightforward. Just multiply 2 gallons by 16 to get 32 cups. And there you have it. Converting gallons to cups is a straightforward process. Remember that 1 gallon equals approximately 16 cups. With a bit of practice, you'll become skilled at making this conversion, making your cooking and baking tasks more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. For more informative conversion guides and math tips, be sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.